Welcome, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the future of business, computing with the unveiling of the 2024 Pavilion 15.6-inch HD touchscreen laptop. Get ready to elevate your professional experience with unparalleled performance and innovation. Feast your eyes on the epitome of sophistication and functionality. The Pavilion 15.6-inch HD touchscreen laptop is not just another device. It's your gateway to productivity paradise. Powered by the 6-core Intel i3-1215U processor, this laptop delivers lightning-fast speed and responsiveness, ensuring seamless multitasking for all your business needs. Say goodbye to sluggish performance and hello to smooth sailing through your daily workload. With 12 GB of RAM and a spacious 256 GB SSD, storage constraints become a thing of the past. Store, access, and retrieve your files with ease, knowing that your data is secure and readily available whenever you need it. But wait, there's more! Immerse yourself in stunning visuals with the UHD graphics, bringing your presentations and projects to life with vibrant clarity and detail. Whether you're crunching numbers, crafting presentations, or editing multimedia content, every task becomes a masterpiece on the Pavilion's high-definition touchscreen display. Time is of the essence in the fast-paced world of business. That's why the Pavilion comes equipped with fast-charging technology, ensuring that you spend less time tethered to an outlet and more time on the go. With over 10 hours of battery life, you can conquer your day with confidence, knowing that your laptop can keep up with your hustle. And let's not forget the icing on the cake, Windows 11 Pro. Experience the ultimate in productivity and security with the latest operating system from Microsoft. Seamlessly navigate your tasks, collaborate with colleagues, and safeguard your data with enterprise-grade features that empower you to do more. In conclusion, the 2024 Pavilion 15.6-inch HD touchscreen laptop is not just a device. It's a game-changer for modern business professionals. Upgrade your workflow, elevate your productivity, and make every moment count with this powerhouse of performance and innovation. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your business experience. Get yours today and receive the exclusive HubxcelAccessory, because your success deserves nothing less.